Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Hi children, now we are going to work with capacity. When you hear the word capacity, what do you understand? We talk about measuring liquids, oil, water, any liquid. Okay, kerosene. Now, the quantity, that means the amount, the quantity of liquid you measure in a particular container. Okay, so that container, you will say the capacity. What is the capacity of this container, you will ask. Now, you buy milk in your house. You get packet, half liter, 1 liter. Okay, so liquids are measured in liters. We'll say 500 milliliters, or we'll say 1 liter. 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So the capacity of the packet of milk or the container we are measuring, oil or kerosene or water, how much can that container take? Is it a 1 liter, half liter, quarter liter, whatever? Now 1 liter equal to how many milliliters? 1000. That's what we have to remember. So we are doing now, we're going to do a lot of work in capacity, addition, subtraction, conversion, and problems. So capacity. The quantity of liquid and the capacity of the container are measured in liters and milliliters. So what do we need to remember? The quantity. The quantity of liquids. The quantity of liquids and the capacities and the capacities and the capacities of containers. Containers are measured in liters, and milliliters. Liters and milliliters. Milliliters. Now, we need to remember 1000. This we must remember, 1000 milliliters. Milliliters, the short form of milliliter, ml, is equal to 1 liter. And the short form of liter is L. That we must remember. Now, milliliter, the short form is ml. And the liter, short form is L. We need to remember that. Now, let's do some addition in liters. Now, when you add the liters, how do you do it? The first sum that I have for you is addition. What we are going to do now is addition. That's what we're going to do now. The first sum I have for you is a 45 letters and 38 letters. 45 letters and 38 letters. What do you do now? We need to arrange the numbers and add correctly. Okay, so we will put down 45 letters and 38 letters. Remember, we are adding, so we put the addition sign plus. 45 letters and 38 letters addition. Now, 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8. So, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 3, 13. So, you put 3 here plus 1 here. 5 plus 8 is 13. You put the 3 down, 1 on top. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. That is, so your answer is 83 letters. What's your answer? Your answer is 83 letters. We learned to add 45 letters and 38 letters. So that's the first sum. Another sum for you, we're going to add 15 letters and 11 letters. What are you supposed to do? You add 15 letters and 11 letters. What do we do first? We arrange in order. So we'll put down 15 letters, 11 letters, put the addition sign and add them. We are adding letters. Now, 5 plus 1 is 6, 1 plus 1 is 2. So that's our answer. What's your answer? Our answer is 26 letters. We learned to add letters. Okay, now let's do a couple of sums more. We'll do a small partition here. The next sum that I'm going to give you is 45 letters, 45 milliliters and 65 milliliters. That's your third sum. 45 milliliters and 65 milliliters. First we put it in order. So we have 45 and 65. So you put 45 ml, 65 ml. Put the addition sign before we add. Alright. Now we add 5 plus 5 is 10. Put down the 0. Carry over the 1 here. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. So we have 110 milliliters. So that is our answer. Our answer is 110 milliliters. Okay, finally, one more small sum we'll do together. Okay, now 75 milliliter and 25 milliliter. So what do we do? First arrange it. 75 milliliter and 25 milliliter. Okay, now what are we going to do? We're going to add, put the addition sign. Okay, now 5 plus 5 is 10. So you bring 1 forward and place it here. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So we have 100 milliliters. So what is our answer? Our answer is 110 milliliters. 100 milliliters. 75 milliliter and 25 milliliters make 100 milliliters. What did we learn today? We learned to add liters here and we learned to add milliliters here. First thing we need to do, place it in order, put the addition sign. Liters, 45 liters plus 38 liters is 83 liters. 15 liters plus 11 liters make 26 liters. Now here we are adding 45 milliliters and 65 milliliters make 110 milliliters. Here 75 milliliters and 25 milliliters add together, you get 100 milliliters.